Hello, this is Amy Harbeck with Kim & Grover Compass. Welcome to 13 Indigo Lane in Harwich. This is not your typical ranch. The kitchen was renovated and expanded to create a great room, and there is finished space in the lower level with a separate entrance. Come take a sneak preview. The septic system is only 2 years old. And how great to have a two-car garage. Here in the living room, there's a gas fireplace and a large bay window. This is the great room, which is served by a ductless AC unit. There are hardwood floors throughout. The counters are granite. And check out this gas range. Down the hall is a guest bath and a guest bedroom. The primary bedroom has an ensuite bath with tile floors and a walk-in shower. A craft room is set up in the unfinished basement. This is the finished living space in the lower level, with its own laundry and full bath. And this is the third bedroom. The deck is completely private. Just off the deck is a beautiful water feature with a koi pond. There's nothing but a wooded conservation area between this lot and the Herring River behind. Well, as you can see, this lovely home has some nice surprises. And it's in the Headwaters region of Harwich, which is close to beautiful freshwater ponds and the Cape Cod Rail Trail. What a great place to launch your Cape Cod adventures.